Parang napakaswerte naman yata nun. Tatanggapin mo na siya sa programa at hahayaan pa natin niyang gastusin ang kung anumang pera na nakuha nila. I think it is only right that the people get back whatever they can from those who are responsible in committing the crimes.
There is too late in the game for the lawyers, so Mr. Vizcaya changed their approach in applying for the government.
I'm not saying it's too late. It's just that they're very late already. No? Tagal na nilang sinasabi na pupunta sila, babalik sila, pinayuhan na sila na makipagkita, and they have not done so. So, like I said, we will not be chasing after them. We will not be, tawag dito, di namin sila liligawan. Kung gusto nila at meron silang gustong ibigay na impormasyon dito, gusto talaga nila makipagtulungan, makikinig kami. Di ba?